Hey guys, today in this video, I'll tell you about Adyen. Watch till the end to grab everything properly. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First things first, Adyen is a well-known name in the realm of payment processing, offering businesses a range of services to manage their financial transactions. To make an informed decision about using Adyen's services, it's important to evaluate both the advantages and potential drawbacks of this payment processing solution. On the positive side, Adyen typically provides a versatile and robust platform for processing payments. It supports a wide array of payment methods, including credit cards, digital wallets, and various alternative payment options, making it a versatile choice for businesses with diverse customer bases. One of Adyen's standout features is its commitment to international payments. The platform often helps businesses seamlessly navigate cross-border transactions, offering currency conversion and compliance with local regulations. This can be especially valuable for companies with a global customer reach. Furthermore, Adyen usually offers a reliable and secure payment processing environment. It prioritizes data security and fraud prevention, which is vital in today's digital landscape where online threats are prevalent. However, there are considerations when using Adyen. The platform's pricing structure can sometimes be complex, and businesses may encounter additional fees depending on their specific needs. It's crucial for users to fully understand the pricing model and assess how it aligns with their budget. Another potential drawback is that while Adyen is a powerful solution, it may have a steeper learning curve for businesses new to payment processing. Small businesses or startups may find the platform's extensive features more than they require. In conclusion, Adyen is a versatile and robust payment processing solution that can greatly benefit businesses, particularly those engaged in international commerce. However, users should be mindful of the pricing complexity and assess whether the full range of features aligns with their business needs. To determine if Adyen is the right choice for your payment processing, it's essential to evaluate your business's payment methods, budget, and specific processing requirements. So that's basically all about Adyen. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.